My names are Udezago Adeyinka Chukwukasino Ezedi. I am from the eastern part of Nigeria, Delta State precisely. I have a gift that I used my two hands and my mouth, and the gift is playing saxophone. This gift came in when I was living in a church, and it's because I was looking for money to buy a real saxophone, which is a wind instrument, but I couldn't get, because my salary then was 3,500, and I went to a friend of mine. I asked the friend, will I able to get a saxophone, and how will I able to know how to play it? He said I have to get my own first, and I said, okay, how much do you think it can go for? And he said maybe like 70,000 thereabout. I said, how am I going to get the money? So I do not know how to get the money, so I went on my knees and began to pray, and I kept on praying. And to cut the story short, I don't know how God did it. I just found out myself playing something from my mouth, and as people will ask, who is playing trumpet? I'll say, no, it's not trumpet, because I don't so much like trumpet. I like saxophone. So I told them it's saxophone, don't say it's trumpet. And from there I kept on developing myself, and it's over 13 years now that this gift from God has been with me, and I really thank God that every time, well, I can use it to play for over 20 minutes. Yes, I can do it, but with a backup of keyboard or bass guitar, maybe drum sets, and I majorly based on Christian music, because I came out from church, and so I based on Christian music, but I can also take some secular music also if I know the song very well. Can also to take those ones, and well, that is just all. And my stage name is Nature Sax. It's Nature Sax. I call myself Nature Sax. So that is just all about me. Yeah, I can do something. Let me just find something to do. It's just to my hands and my mouth, and I do it like this, my hand like this, and rub it like this, and I use it too. Let me play something. Yeah, that is that. I can do more than that. I can do more than that. Yeah. But that is that for now. Thank you very much. Bless you.